Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use batons and how to do the best self-defense and how to do some kicks and everything like that. So we start off with the position. If you are like this and you got to stand your position and you don't know it, so you can you have first this arm, the left arm here, and your right arm here. So then you stand like this, or you can stand like this. So if I stand like this and somebody try to hit you in the face, you do like this, that protect your face, and somebody try to hit your stomach, this to protect your stomach. Okay, or if somebody try to hit you, then stand this, and they can just hit your arm, hit their arm like that, and or you can do like so. If you have to do a kick, and you have this, then you can kick up there, like. So, if comes somebody back of you, you stand like this. Again. So it's not the easiest to do it. To use the batons. So you need to, if you got to be good on it. So you just need to practice, and then I'll show you some little tricks to use the batons. You don't need the batons, you can have some sticks too, or hands, or wherever you want. So just got to say goodbye. See you later in my next video.